Assalamualaikum and hey fantastic folk of Moomal Tech. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Premiere Pro 2023, and guess what? We are just doing it in just 10 minutes. Whether you are a vlogger, gamer, lifestyle enthusiast, or someone who just loves sharing their passion with the world, knowing the ropes of Premiere Pro can take your content to a new height. In this quick power pack tutorial, we are going to sprinkle some editing magic that will set your videos apart from the rest. Adobe Premiere Pro isn't just for pros, it's for you, the creator with a story to tell and a vision to share. So without any further delay, let's dig into it. So the first thing is open your Premiere Pro 2023. Now take a deep breath and let's go. So this is your workspace. On the left you have got your media browser. Import your footage here. In the center you will have your timeline. This is where the magics happen. And on the right, your program monitor, where you will see your master come to your life. Hit C on your keyboard for the razor tool and V to get back to the selection tool, and drag and drop to rearrange clips on the timeline. Easy, right? Want to add some flares? Now let's just spice up things with transition. Now go to your effects panel. Now search for the transitions and drag them between your clips. Adjust the duration and customize transition settings. Now preview your sequence to ensure seamless transition. Okay, it's time to go to the color grading section. Now let's make it pop. Head to the color panel, play with the luminatory color settings. And boom, your video just went from meh to wow. But wait, we are not done yet. It's time to make your videos peak volumes by adding text. Open the graphic workspace. Choose the type tool from the toolbar. Click on your video where you want to add text. Now type your message directly onto the video preview. Customize font size, color, and other styling option in the Essential Graphic panel. To animate your text, set keyframe for the position, scale or opacity. Preview your text in the real time to ensure it complements your video. Audios as just important. Click on the audio track and use the essential sound panel to fix it up. Alright, we have just got 1 minute left. Export your masterpiece by just hitting Ctrl M. Choose your settings and hit export. Congratulations, you have just learned the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. And there you have it, folks. If you find this crash course helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and comment below what other tricks you want to learn about Premiere Pro. And subscribe this channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I will catch you in the next one.